higher on top to give yourself an arc. We're going higher. We have to follow this out so it gets a little thicker up here. Okay. These actually came out kind of bad, which is funny because I did a tutorial for them right now. But that's generally what I do. If you want to know, you can also watch my other videos, or I can give you a full makeup tutorial if I don't fuck that up too. But that's how I do my eyebrows. I think they look pretty nice. If you're feeling fancy or have the time, I take a flat brush.
Once again, you can get this at Five Below, Sally Beauty, Dollar Store, Ulta, anywhere really.
You can always go for more expensive, but I use cheap products and like my face isn't falling off. And we're gonna take our concealer, and this is only if you have time or you're trying to be really fancy, or if you're doing a makeup tutorial on YouTube. You'll go under that with a really light concealer, because that'll just make it stand out and give your face dimension. And you can always clean up the lines, like as you can see, I decided I wanted that to be more straight. And I usually take this and go above the brow to fix those ends. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Or, fuck. Yeah, cousins, not twins, in my opinion. If you've ever heard that saying. No, you've heard it for the millionth time if you're me, but... I got a text. I'm not responding to it. Okay, so that is how we do the eyebrows. This is what the eyebrows look like close up. That is the eyebrows. Now we're gonna do eyeliner. So I forgot to tell you the eyeliner pen I use. This is the eyeliner pen I use. This is the brand. It's called this. It comes in a little box. Be careful when buying this because you have to make sure it looks like this, like a pen. I don't like the ink and quill sort of thing. I like the pen. So that's how we do that. Fuck, I forgot to tell you what I was doing. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so we'll start over here. And you gotta measure it out. You can change the angle. If you want really high up eyeliner, you'll go really high up. If you want really lazy eyeliner, not lazy, but like tired looking eyeliner, you'll go there. But I'll keep mine from this line and I'll just place it down. See if that's what I want. And then make this into a line. When you make that into a line, you want to go as straight as you can, but also going up, if that makes any sense. I usually do it real quick just so I can, because you can always fix it. It's an eyeliner, it's not like a tattoo. Next, I'll come over here and I'll draw a little line from across. And if you didn't see it, we have it over here. I'll come over here. I'll follow this line, and I'll go straight across, kind of parallel to the eye. This is what it looks like now. If you notice that they're a little off, you can always fix them later on. My eyeliner always gets bigger the more I fix it. But if your eyeliner's not even, it's okay, mine never is. Next, we'll keep your eye open, and where you finish this line, you'll just go here. So you'll make a little divot there. Same thing over here. Kind of bring your eye hooded and make a little divot right there. So now there's divots on here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go into this inner corner and draw a line to that divot. Go to the inner corner. Draw a line to that divot. You can also make this line go all the way across if you please. It's just you don't have to do that right now. So we'll do one where we do it right now and we'll do another where we don't. Next, since we connected this line, now this is the hard part. Now, since you connected this line, you have your little divot. You know where your divot is, and if you need to make your divot again, hood your eye and make a line. Now, you'll do a little scoop, which is basically just drawing a line from here to here, and it's like a scoop. So this is what we should look like. And even though our eyeliner is wet, if you go like this, it shouldn't transfer up. And if it does transfer up, then you know you need to add that into the line. Because if it transfers up now, it's going to transfer up later. This is what it looks like now. Next, we're going to fill in the whole liner. Filling in, filling in, filling in. Good. Now we're not done, but we filled it in. I'm gonna fix this line a little bit. I'll just go under there, make that a little straighter, because I like to have this point out at the end. It's just not doing what I want it to do. Now you're almost done. So now you'll take here, and you're just gonna use this brush, bring it in here. Up here, use this brush and bring it in here. Like, use the side of the brush. And now we're done. Isn't that crazy? Sometimes I like to go a little crazy, and I like to do some like design here. Like, I'll just do that. If you want to know how to do that, you'll just take the pen, set the pen down, and go like that. Okay, cool. That is how I do my eyeliner. I'm gonna add mascara, finish my makeup, and then we'll do a final look. Hey squad fam, that's how I do my eyebrows and how I do my eyeliner. I know you didn't ask on how to do my eyebrows, but I wanted to. So finished eye look looks like this. I know I could shade it a little bit more on this eye, but I don't care that much. But this is what the finished eye look looks like. If you want to get a makeup tutorial, let me know so you can know the full tutorial. I also have my little buns in right now. And if you want a fit check, you can follow me on my Instagram, shameless self plug. I do fit checks over there, and I assign them by month, so you can look back at all my outfits. Okay.